Baby, just mama spoil you. Get anything you like. Long as you are right and me alright. Me know your man, that's why I like you. To a woman that likes right. You see bump up the proper side.
Dwayne the producer.
To you. Happy birthday, boo. Him wrap up him not like in a camera.
Just put on camera.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kemar. What? Happy birthday to you. Where the powder there? Where heck there?
Flower.
You not sing for your uncle, your grand uncle. Grand uncle. Yes guys, so today we're gonna be doing some little birthday activities for Kemar. So you'll see all of that later in the next clip. What do I know about Bigfoot? Spicy edition, yo. Bigfoot tastes so good. But my favorite cheese chips is Tigers. Tastes so good. Yeah? You need to catch a 1 hour sleep because we're going somewhere at 12.
Excuse me.
We're going somewhere. So you can go down.
No, bad man, you sleep in bed last time.
If you just move down, man, you're going like there's no more space on the bed. Look, itch up on me. Yes, people. Outfit of the day. I got this pantsuit on. Right now my hair's not cooperating with me, but I have this pantsuit on. The top and the bottom. We are going to Hard Rock Cafe for his birthday. Stay nice. God, I don't know why he hates the camera so much, but yeah. So I'm in my shades. I'm in these earrings from BeautyBox accessory and a chain. Got my little side bag with me. I'm just wearing these little these slippers. Like, I wonder if you guys can see these little knitted slippers. But I will see you at the Hard Rock Cafe. I changed my glasses. Like, I don't know, this glasses is very bossy. I'm a bossy girl, so I'm a change it. And the weather is hot today. So we just did a photo shoot just now, some birthday pics and stuff. So now we're about to go get some lunch at the Hard Rock Cafe and enjoy ourselves. So we reached the Hard Rock Cafe. They got a tennis court and everything. They said they got a beach club and a spa. Over here is nice. Yes, we are broth them as Killy would have said. We are broth them. So we are enjoying ourselves, enjoy really good vacation and stuff. This is the front entrance. The rock shop. I'll show you how we go. See little shop. Yeah? Oh, we forgot to show you. Yes, so we have to go. Do we just walk in? Sorry? We want to drink something. This is the little menu. They got some cocktails, some food. This is the area. There's a pool over there. The sea's over there. Right there. You want a drink, Kim? Oh, you have to get a drink. You have to get a drink.
Get a drink for what?
birthday drink. They have smoothie. I know say you love smoothie. They have smoothie.
What difference with a regular drink and a birthday drink?
Ah, you never understand. So my food came. I got some hot wings, got some fries, got my little celery, and you know, just waiting for base food to come. Oh, guys, we're so full.
No, this is not done.
Huh?
No, no, fuck.
The chain, not true. Get a little cheesecake, yo.
You mean mine? Excuse me.
My babe's cheesecake. Oh God, I'm full. But over here is actually really chilling. The music, the vibes, like the breeze. Like it's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's just nice. And
Long time they are sick.
not really.
One bed boss that chill and they're too old.
I was giving you time to sleep. Yeah, like after 1. No, yeah, 12.
After 12 minutes.
Yeah, 12.
No, after 12, so 12 minutes.
So we just went down to the beach, as y'all seen. Now we're just about to go back home. Whew. I love out here. I'll come out here again. With some good money. Oh, over there is so nice. There's a little garden. It is cool. Every time I turn on the camera, you say the same thing. The people are going at night with you, you know.
I top video man for.
I have video. I myself. Me a video
For
for YouTube. People love see Jamaica. Come make it. You want a shirt? I'm trying to be a tourist.